Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to add music to Facebook story. Let's start. At first you have to open the Facebook app, and in here tap on create story. After that select the video or photo that you want to add as your story. For example, I'll choose this one. Then tap on music. In here you guys can search music or artist, or you guys can select them as your music, but I will search a music, for example this one. In here you guys can also hear the music by tapping on here. Then just tap on the music once you are done with your selecting. In here you guys can also customize the lyrics. Just tap on here and then select which part you want to add. You can also select the star mark parts like this. Those parts are very famous of this song. And here you guys can choose the lyrics style as you want, and also you guys can use the title of the song, and there is a lot of styles. For example, I'll choose this one and then tap on here for the color of the lyrics. Then tap on done. After that you can also fit it where you want, just like this, and then tap on share. It might take a while for sharing it. Now let's watch the story. As you guys can see, I have shared this story with music. In that way you guys can also add music to Facebook story. I hope it will help you. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. See you with another video. Until next time, bye bye.